Welcome to the iSchools channel. I'm your host Rana, and in this video we will be taking a look at how to create a local administrative account in your Windows 10 PC. We will also be taking a look at how to connect remotely to another PC, take total control of that PC and create a new user account over there. So let's get started. Just click on the start button. There are two methods of getting there. I'll show you both. Click on settings. In the settings tab you'll see an accounts button. Just click on this. You'll be taken to your account. In the left side is a family and other users option. Just click on this and here you will find add someone else to this PC option over here. How can we get to this in a different way? Switch this off. Just click on the start button again and go to the top button which says your user. Click on this and go to change account settings. You will be taken to the same page. Click on family and other users over here and just click on this add someone else to this PC option. We'll click on this, and since we are connected to the internet, it will connect to Microsoft and ask me for a Microsoft email ID so that it can associate the newly created account with my Microsoft ID. But I do not want to sign in with a Microsoft ID, or if you do not have a Microsoft ID right now, just we have to create a local user account. Yes, that's what we are going to create, a local administrator account in Windows 10. So I'll click on I don't have this person's sign in information. It will take me to another dialog box in which it will ask for a phone number or email address again. But there is also another option on the bottom which says add a user without a Microsoft account. This is what we are going to click. And finally we are taken to this page in which we can create a local user account in Windows 10. We can get to this in an easier way also. I'll just close this, and when I click on this, if I switch off my internet like this, then if I click on this, what happens is it cannot connect to the internet and to the Microsoft site, so it will directly take me to this page where I can create a local account easily. So I'll name my account. I'll just switch off this caps. I'll enter a password. Retype the password. And then it will ask me for a set of security questions. I'll choose the security question one by one and type in the answers. And I'll press next. Once I've done that, you can see a local account by the name of Illusions has been created. If we click on this right now, we have two options in which there is one in which we can remove this account, and in the other you can see I can change the account type. I'll click on this and you can see in the account type option there is a drop down in which there are two options, in which the first one, the selected one, is standard user, and then there is an administrator option. We'll choose the administrator option. Why? Because if we use a standard user account, we cannot install any software or any other stuff. We have to use an administrator account to install software or do system-wide changes. So we'll choose administrator over here and click OK. Now you can see the Illusions account has turned into an administrator local account. That's it. We have done this. We have created a local administrator account in Windows 10. Now we have to log out of the root account. How do I log out of the root account? To log out of the root account, I just click on the start button, go to my user and click on sign out. But once I sign out, the video I'm recording over here will get turned off. So I cannot show you what happens when I log out actually and log in to the root account. To do that, what we have to do is get a little adventurous. We will demonstrate this process live by logging into the account of another PC. In another PC, I'll create a new account in that one and show you how things are done. To log into another PC from this account and use that PC as if it was mine, I need a software which is called Anydesk. Anydesk is a remote desktop software whereby you can connect to anyone anywhere remotely. That person also needs to have Anydesk installed. So go to this site anydesk.com/en and click on this free download button. I have already downloaded this to my PC and I'll just click on this and you can see this is the Anydesk software. But mind you guys, I have not installed this software fully because I have just clicked on this. You can see there's a button over here which says install Anydesk on this computer. So Anydesk is not totally installed, it's just running. I will press, you can see there's a number over here. This is my number. If anyone wants to connect to my PC, I have to send him this number. So in this remote desk option over here, I have to click on type the number of my friend. I'll do that. I'll click connect. I'll grant this one permission. I say allow access. You can see connection is in progress. It's waiting for the remote site to accept my session request. He has accepted the request and I am logged into this PC, guys. I am logged into his laptop. He's in Chennai and I am in Kolkata. I'll just minimize this window over here. Minimize this also. This is his desktop. You can see I can just take a look at his desktop and do whatever I want from this. What I'll do is do a similar process. Click on the start menu over here. Go to his user account. I'll say change account settings and then what I'll do over here is click on family and other users. Once I do this, you can see he has other 2 users already installed in this PC. I will add another user and show you how to get into that user and what options we are presented with there. So I'll click on this, add someone else to this PC. We'll go through the same process again and create a user in this account. I'll say I don't have this person's sign-in information. In the second screen, we'll add a user without a Microsoft account and then we'll just name this. I'll say tempo for temporary. Give it a password. I'll give it a simple password. Retype that. I'll get some of this out of the way. I'll say next. And you can see other local account has been created on this PC. Now what we have got to do, this is a temporary tempo account. So I'll just go to the change account type over here, make this an administrator account and click on OK. This is done. I'll switch this off and I will log out of this. Once I log out of this account, if I press sign out, you can see what's happening over here. Anydesk is trying to restore the session in the remote machine, and once it's done, yes, I am presented with his login screen. In this, if I click on this, this is the main login screen. Once you start your PC, you can see these are the users. I have created this user. I'll click on this and I'll type in the password. I'll press enter. And you can see what happens when you log in first time. This is something which I could not have shown you on my PC. So I needed to do this. In this process, you learned how to use Anydesk to log into another PC. So this is what happens when you log into the account for the first time. It's quite interactive, guys, and Windows 10 is by far the best offering that Microsoft has given so far. We have left everything to Windows, so no issues about that. The next thing that will be presented to you once this message is complete is the privacy options. This is the privacy option which comes up. It says, the first option over here says online speech recognition. We do not want this online speech recognition, so I'll turn this off right away. Then I don't want Windows to find my device, track my device if I lose it. If you want this, you can switch this on. So then there's the inking and typing option. In this, Microsoft will get diagnostic data from the things you type, and so I don't want this. I'll switch this off also. I don't want apps to use my advertising ID, so I'll turn this off. However, I need the location-based services for getting the weather and things like that, so I'll turn this on and keep this turned on. And then I don't want tailored experience, so I'll turn this off also. Then I'll click on accept. Once I've done that, the basic configuration is complete. Click on this. Choose format for this. I'll say focused. I'll click confirm. Continue without signing in. This is our internet browser with Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge is the latest browser and it comes with Windows 10. So this is our newly created account, and this is all, guys, in this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and please come back to see the next tutorial.